Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to recover your stake.com password. So if you forgot your password, I will show you how to solve this problem. First of all, you need to log into stake.com. It doesn't matter, you will use your desktop computer or mobile phone. Everything is similar. So once you will go to stake.com, then you need to click sign in button, and right here bottom of this page you will see forgot password. So you need to click this, and in this gap you need to enter your email address. So once you will enter your email address, then click recover password. And on your email, you will receive a letter from stake.com. You need to open it, and you can reset your password from here. And you have 24 hours to change this password because your request will expire, guys. So hurry up, guys, and change your password. But if you have a problem that you don't remember your email address, you can do another thing, guys. So guys, if you don't have an access to your email, you can do the simple thing. You can create a temporary account on stake.com, and once you will create a temporary account, then you need to click this headphone icon on the bottom right side. This is live support. From here you can directly contact to stake.com support. So in the menu, when you open the support, you need to click send us a message, and in this message you need to explain the issue that you forgot your password, you don't have an access to your email, and they will ask you some questions to verify your identity, and after you will verify your identity, they will recover your account. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.